probably all know that oil is refined to make petrol. The gold in your watch was dug from the ground, and your cornflakes in the morning are made from, well, corn. These are commodities, and there are two main types, soft and hard. Soft commodities are typically agricultural products or livestock like wheat or pork. Hard commodities are typically natural resources that are mined or extracted, like silver or natural gas.
Sometimes we hear about the price of oil suddenly shooting up. I've always wondered what makes these things suddenly become more expensive.
Well, there are a lot of factors that influence the price of oil and other commodities, like economic and political events, natural disasters, and even the weather. Commodities are also influenced by the price of the US dollar because almost all commodity trading is priced in US dollars. This means that commodity prices can fluctuate significantly.
Okay, so how do we trade commodities?
There are many ways to trade them depending on what type of trader you are. Just like shares, commodities are bought and sold on exchanges which tend to specialize in a particular market.
So what you're saying is that we must use different exchanges to trade different types of commodities?
Yes, you are partly right. Big commodity exchanges include NYMEX, CME and LIFFE. All offer a wide range of commodity types.
Right, so let's say I think the price of oil is going to go up. Should I buy some through LIFFE in London?
If you are a bank, broker or large commodities trader, you would have what is known as a seat on the exchange. Because they can provide a lot of collateral, they can trade directly via the exchange. If you are a business that needs commodities to make its products, you will probably trade via a commodities broker. However, as a private trader, you are most likely to trade commodities via a spread bet or CFD trade and not directly with an exchange. Under this type of setup, you will never have to worry about receiving delivery of the physical product.
What's a spread bet or CFD?
They are derivatives, but we've got a whole lesson on these near the end of the module. For now, let's look at our final asset class, debt.